EZ-Wind Bump and Go installation instructions for most curved shaft trimmers. First, remove the original cap, spring, and spool from your trimmer. You will not need to remove the upper housing. Next, push the two tabs on either side of the EZ-Wind Bump and Go head. While pushing the tabs, remove the lower housing from the head. Remove the spring and spool from the head. Next, identify which mounting nut fits your trimmer. Insert the nut, round end first, into the EZ-Wind head. While holding the nut in place with your fingers, hand tighten the head onto your trimmer. Next, insert the spring and spool back into the EZ-Wind head. Snap the lower housing onto the head, but pay attention to the direction of arrows on the lower housing. Make sure the arrows follow the same direction that the trimmer head rotates when engaged. Loading replacement line into the EZ-Wind head. First, align the bump knob by twisting till it's aligned with the arrows on the perimeter of the lower housing. Next, insert trimmer line through the eyelets on either side of the head. Make sure you have an equal amount of line on both sides before winding. Once you have an equal amount of line on either side, wind the line by twisting the bump knob. Please be sure to read and follow all product and manufacturer safety instructions before operating your trimmer. Need further assistance? Call 866-212-7466.